How to access your school emails. Once you have logged on, click on Internet Explorer. The school website should load. Once it has loaded, on the left hand side, click on the Email tab. And you need to sign in now with your full email address. So your username followed by the school email. So username followed by @sirgrahambalfour.staffs.sch.uk. So your username followed by @sirgrahambalfour.staffs.sch.uk. Click on next and then simply put your password in. And click sign in. Stay signed in, just simply click on yes to stay signed in. And you've successfully signed in to your school email. There may be times where you do need to email staff or students. Please make sure that you do not send any inappropriate emails across the school system, as it is monitored by IT support and there will be sanctions for anyone doing so. So please make sure that you are on task and you are sending appropriate emails. To send an email then, click on the blue new message button in the top left hand corner. And you'll notice the cursor goes to the 2. So you need to, in this box, put in the recipient who you're sending the email to. In this example, I'm going to use Mr. Mapperson, who is a teacher. So all you need to do to find Mr. Mapperson's email address, if he hasn't told you, is just search for his surname. So just search for Mapperson. And he's populated. So you can see his email address is amapperson@sirgrahambalfour.staffs.sch.uk. Simply click on A. Mapperson's name and he is now selected as a recipient. In the add a subject, you need to tell him what it's about. So I'm just going to put test. And in the main body of an email, you just need to tell him what it's about. So I'm just going to put this is a test. If you scroll down, you'll see a blue button with an envelope arrow type of icon. Just click on that to send it. Obviously I'm not going to send it to Mr. Mapperson, but that's what you do to send your email once it's composed. So that's how to access your emails and how to send a test email.